Lean manufacturing, often referred to as simply lean, is a systematic approach to optimizing production by minimizing waste while maximizing value for customers. Rooted in the Toyota Production System, TPS, lean manufacturing has become a cornerstone methodology for businesses striving to enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and deliver high-quality products on time. In this video, we'll explore the principles, tools, and benefits of lean manufacturing, shedding light on how this approach revolutionizes production systems across various industries. What is lean manufacturing? Lean manufacturing is a production philosophy focused on delivering the highest value to customers using the fewest resources. The term lean signifies doing more with less time, less material, less energy, and fewer resources, all while maintaining or improving the quality of the product or service. The core idea behind lean manufacturing is to identify and eliminate non-value-adding activities, referred to as waste, within a process. By doing so, businesses can streamline operations, enhance customer satisfaction, and stay competitive in the marketplace. Principles of lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing operates on 5 core principles, which serve as the foundation for its methodology. Identify value. Understand what the customer values in the product or service, and focus efforts on delivering that value. Anything that does not directly contribute to this value is considered waste. Map the value stream. Analyze the entire production process to identify value-adding and non-value-adding activities. Creating a value stream map helps visualize the flow of materials and information, making it easier to pinpoint areas for improvement. Create flow. Ensure that the production process is smooth and continuous, with minimal interruptions or delays. This involves organizing workflows to reduce bottlenecks and inefficiencies. Establish pull. Implement a pull system where production is based on customer demand rather than forecasting. This approach reduces overproduction and inventory waste. Pursue perfection. Lean is an ongoing process. Continuously strive to eliminate waste, improve processes, and enhance quality, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Types of waste in lean manufacturing, the 8 wastes. Lean manufacturing focuses on reducing or eliminating the 8 types of waste, collectively known as muda in Japanese. Overproduction, producing more than is needed or before it is needed. Waiting, idle time caused by delays, bottlenecks, or downtime. Transportation, unnecessary movement of materials or products. Overprocessing, performing extra steps that do not add value to the product. Inventory, excess raw materials, work in progress, or finished goods. Motion, unnecessary movements by people such as reaching or walking. Defects, products that fail to meet quality standards requiring rework or disposal. Underutilized talent, failing to leverage the skills and creativity of employees. Key lean manufacturing tools and techniques. Lean manufacturing employs a variety of tools and techniques to achieve its goals. Some of the most commonly used ones include Kaizen, continuous improvement, a philosophy that encourages small, incremental improvements over time. Employees at all levels are empowered to suggest and implement changes. 5S system, a workplace organization method focused on sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Kanban, a visual scheduling system that uses cards or signals to indicate the status of production and inventory levels. Just-in-time, JIT, a production strategy that ensures materials and products are delivered exactly when needed, reducing inventory waste. Value stream mapping, VSM, a visual tool to map the current state of a process and design a future state that eliminates waste and improves flow. Total productive maintenance, TPM, a proactive approach to maintaining equipment to minimize downtime and maximize efficiency. Poka-Yoke, error proofing, techniques or devices designed to prevent errors or defects in production. Standard work, establishing and documenting the best practices for performing tasks to ensure consistency and efficiency. Benefits of lean manufacturing. Increased efficiency. By eliminating waste, businesses can achieve faster production cycles and better resource utilization. Enhanced quality. Lean encourages a focus on quality at every stage of production, reducing defects and rework. Cost savings. Minimizing waste and optimizing processes lead to significant cost reductions. Improved customer satisfaction. Delivering high-quality products on time and at competitive prices enhances customer loyalty. Engaged workforce. Lean promotes employee involvement, creativity, and ownership of processes, fostering a motivated and satisfied workforce. Flexibility. Lean systems are adaptable to changing customer demands, making businesses more responsive to market trends. Industries and applications of lean manufacturing. Although initially developed for manufacturing, lean principles have been successfully applied across various industries, including automotive, the birthplace of lean used for efficient assembly line production. Healthcare, streamlining patient care processes, reducing wait times, and improving resource allocation. Retail, managing inventory, reducing stockouts, and optimizing supply chains. Technology, improving software development workflows through lean principles like Agile. Hospitality, enhancing customer experiences by optimizing service processes. Implementing lean manufacturing. Key steps. Assess the current state. Conduct a thorough analysis of existing processes to identify waste and inefficiencies. Engage employees. Involve employees at all levels to gain insights and foster a sense of ownership in lean initiatives. Develop a plan. Create a roadmap for implementing lean principles, prioritizing areas with the highest impact. Provide training. Educate employees on lean tools, techniques, and the benefits of adopting the lean mindset. Start small. Begin with pilot projects to test and refine lean practices before scaling them organization-wide. Monitor progress. Use key performance indicators, KPIs, to track the success of lean initiatives and identify areas for further improvement. Commit to continuous improvement. Lean is an ongoing journey. Regularly review and refine processes to sustain and build upon gains. Challenges of lean manufacturing. While lean offers substantial benefits, implementing it can be challenging. Common obstacles include resistance to change from employees and management, lack of understanding or training on lean principles, inadequate resources or commitment, difficulty sustaining improvements over time. To overcome these challenges, organizations must foster a culture of collaboration, accountability, and continuous learning. Lean manufacturing is more than just a set of tools. It's a mindset that transforms how businesses operate. By embracing lean principles, organizations can unlock greater efficiency, enhance quality, and meet customer expectations more effectively. In this video, we've explored the fundamentals of lean manufacturing, its tools, and its benefits. If you're ready to start your lean journey or have questions, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on business and production strategies.